Among the first foreign tourists to arrive in Kalaljó were Nicholas de Voivodsky (1888 to 1975) and Dorothy Webster (1888 to 1980), who were known locally as the Russians. In 1927, after spending some time at a fisherman's house in Kalaljó, they began to build a medieval-style castle in the area of Kaproch. The project took 50 years to complete. They started with what they called the gatehouse, which comprised of several homes that were initially planned to house the service staff who accompanied them on their stays in Kalaljó. The work wasn't finished until 1975, with financial help from Girona's regional council. As well as the architectural project on the grounds, Dorothy worked on the botanical gardens, determining the level of the land and the layout of the paths, flower beds and viewpoints, with the help of the English gardener H.M. Holloway. From 1934 they opened the gardens to the public, charging an entry fee to finance their upkeep.